Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys, I'm going to clean this Mercedes C-Class using the Garage Therapy Zero Decon car soap. As in the previous video, I'm going to use it pretty much for the same purposes: wheels, pre-wash, and the contact wash. The only difference today, we're going to apply this car soap through a snow foam lance, and we're going to use the Ava pressure washer. I did use an iron remover here, however for the contact wash I'm still going to use the GT soap. What I like about this car soap so far, it does a very good job on the plastics, leaving a very even finish to them, and obviously it does a good job on the rubber. As you can see, it browns out pretty well, revealing all the gunk that's been on the tire. So the dilution ratio here for the pre-wash is 1:10, and the snow foam coming out of the snow foam lens is somewhat similar to Build Hammer Touchless. However, it's hard for me to tell so far which one has better cleaning power. So as you can see, it does a very good job on knocking off that layer of dirt. But please keep in mind as well that this is a car soap. It's not a dedicated pre-wash or dedicated snow foam solution. Now I've added some soap into the bucket, which is a 5-liter bucket, and I've added 20 ml to that, and also I covered the car with the same solution again. The dilution ratios here was 1:10. However, I would prefer using it in a bucket simply because the soap dries out very quick, not leaving enough time to do the agitation. And also I did a little bit of brush work here because the car had some tight spots that were dirty. I do valve this car on a regular basis. However, it still picks up on some contamination, and I have to use something a bit more stronger. The user experience with this product is amazing. I mean, it smells good and it's so slick, it makes you want to glide through the surface all over and over again. It rinses off freely as well, so you won't have any problem with that. So now I'm going to dry the car and show you the final results without me using a quick detailer on the car, without applying any tire dressing or touching up the wheels themselves or touching up the windows. It's just pure results after I wash the car. And shine reigns supreme. The paint looks very glossy. This car soap did a very good job. So thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.